what's up you guys? I hope you're all doing well. It has been a little while since I've done a news video here on the channel, and there are plenty of current big Disney news updates going on right now. I'm actually gonna be listing from the biggest breaking news all the way down to the lower stuff, and I hope you guys enjoy because as I said before, there are a lot of new news updates happening at the parks, so let's start. So park by park, we actually have a confirmation that Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party is going to be returning to the Magic Kingdom this year. This is the second holiday event that is fully returning to the Magic Kingdom, the first being the Not So Scary Halloween Party. Tickets are on sale, I think right now actually, for $149 to $199 per person per night, depending on the day of the month that you actually go on, as it runs from November 8th to December 22nd of this year. It is a beautiful holiday event. It's actually one of my favorite events at Walt Disney World. It has some holiday fireworks, parades, and even special meet and greets. It's just absolutely beautiful. There's also some ride overlays that are going to be introduced to the party. I believe one of these is going to be Jingle Cruise. However, they do have Jingle Cruise in the regular daytime, should you guys ever want to see it. At Epcot, they're also going to be returning the International Festival of the Holidays. It's going to be the 5th year this time around, and Cosmic Rewind, a brand new roller coaster that just opened up at Epcot May 27th of this year, is actually going to be adding Christmas songs to the music, not selection I'd say, but the randomizer for music, which I am actually very surprised to see. I mean, I wonder what kind of Christmas songs they're gonna put. Probably some vintage oldies, I bet, but maybe some new ones too. The Adventure by Disney $110,000 private jets to the parks around the world has sold out in pre-sales. This is going to be sort of a private jet style vacation, but it takes you to the different Disney resorts around the world, like Shanghai, Anaheim, Walt Disney World, Paris. It says that it was opened, pre-sales for the trip had opened up for Adventures by Disney guests, and then for anybody who lives, for all other Adventures by Disney guests alongside Golden Oak residents. Some other Disney news include that the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique will be opening up again shortly in the Magic Kingdom, scheduled for August 25th, Magic Kingdom and Disneyland Park, which is pretty cool. They have also released menus for the International Food and Wine for Epcot this year. The Harambe Village acrobats have returned back to the Africa section of Animal Kingdom. And now Brightline has actually confirmed that they're building a station nearby Walt Disney World. Disney is considering changing their park pass reservation system to include secondary reservations for park hopping, because as you guys might know, to actually get a reservation for the park, you can park hop afterwards to any other park besides your main park at 2 p.m. Let's say you had for Animal Kingdom, but after 2 p.m. you could go to a Magic Kingdom, Epcot, any of those. But now they want to try to introduce secondary reservations, which I'm kind of interested to see how it'll go. They've also accidentally opened sales for the Sorcerer and Pirate annual passes, but it closed shortly after. And I have to wonder if that means they're going to open up the other pass selections soon. Hopefully is all I can really say. Shanghai Disneyland is finally reopening June 30th, which is, I think that's tomorrow. Yeah, that's tomorrow by the time of this recording this video. So that's pretty awesome. Just over 3 months after it closed due to an extended 8-week lockdown in its namesake city, Shanghai Disneyland will finally reopen to guests on June 30th. I think this is the second biggest story right now. The Disney Wish has been Christened by Anika Noni Rose, CEO Bob Chapek, Chairman Josh D'Amaro, and some Make-A-Wish children. This is the newest ship of the Disney Cruise Line. They actually showed the christening this morning. I think it was on Disney Plus and on YouTube. That's how I watched it, YouTube, the replay of it. It is a beautiful ship. The actual show for the whole christening was also very beautiful. They've already shared pictures from the Marvel restaurant inside World of Marvel and Star Wars Hyperspace Lounge. I want to actually say the Hyperspace Lounge kind of reminds me of the bar section of Space 220. It's really, really cool. I love this ship. I mean, I still have yet to go on Disney Cruise. I know soon I do want to go on one. But other than that, it is a beautiful, beautiful ship. And I don't know, out of all the Disney cruises, I just think they're very beautiful ships. Last but not least, Imagineer Zach Ridley has actually shared some of the Dreamer tiles, as they're called. Dreamer's Point tiles that they're called at Epcot, which is going to be like a new festival area. It kind of looks like they light up like the old walkway through the World Showcase, the old Future World West, I think it was called. But it's gonna look really beautiful, I bet, when it's open. It actually matches the manhole covers too for Epcot, as it does have the same texture as the Epcot ball, alongside with Epcot's logo and then Epcot's actual name. It's very beautiful. It's like a very geometrical pattern, which I can also say mirrors the one inside of Cosmic Rewind. It's sort of that futuristic panel look, which again fits really well with Something else that I'm going to mention before I forget is that Tron Lightcycle Power Run over in Tomorrowland has been making fantastic progress as of recent. I initially thought, like a lot of other people, that it was going to open up for July 4th weekend. However, there is a possibility that it's going to be opening up for probably like the end of the 50th anniversary celebrations, which is going to be happening in October. That's like the most I can say since they got Guardians of the Galaxy open in time for the Memorial Day weekend. And I don't know, I mean, Disney does work really fast with their projects, and the most I can say on Tron is finishing like exterior like building stuff alongside the actual tunnel for the Main Street USA Railroad train, which has also been testing. That beautiful steam train has been running its tests again. I believe 2 of the trains have been tested alongside some new track that's going to be laid that leads towards Tron and inside that new tunnel. And I also have to kind of wonder now about that new tunnel system that they are building. I wonder if it's going to be similar to the one they have running through Splash Mountain, which you can actually see like the animatronics inside. I wonder if they're going to be doing that similarly for Tron, where you can see the bikes going by, maybe people in the queue. That would be really cool. And one more thing, Splash Mountain has actually entered into its renovation phase into being Princess and the Frog themed. It is speculated to open up around 2024, no exact date set, but the year we know so far has been 2024, so it's about a couple of years from now. So that concludes this little update video. As I said before, there are a lot of changes, good and new, well, good and also new, coming to the Disney parks. I'm very excited to see a lot of these changes, especially with the whole Tron finally getting to open, the new tiles over in Epcot, and then the actual Christmas party and the Halloween party, as we do have tickets for the Halloween party. And I gotta ask, are you guys gonna get your celebration tickets this year for either the Halloween party, the Christmas party, or both? Please let me know down in the comments below. Well, that concludes today's short little news video. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you guys really enjoyed it. Please let me know what's your favorite update coming to the parks down below in the comments, because I do appreciate you guys commenting. I read every single one. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'm very close to 1,000 subscribers. I'm literally almost there, so please help me get to that little push towards 1,000. I would really appreciate that. And for those of you who have subscribed and are returning, I appreciate you guys a lot. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment especially, because I do love reading the comments, as I said before. And be sure to share with your friends and family who also love Disney. I'm pretty sure they would love to see all the new sort of changes coming to the parks. I'll see you guys in the next video though. Love you guys. See you real soon.